what you are doing? What is this?
I'm doing experiments. Why did the magnets not stick together?
Oh, how you prove the magnets not get together, stick together?
You take some of my magnets.
Yes. Then?
You have to take 2 magnets, take the reverse side, put it together, and don't stick. Got it, but still not sticking together.
Why these magnets are not?
Because this is south. This is earth.
This is south and this is south. Both side the south.
If there is
That was
if
not
there
sticking.
is south and south, they stick together.
No. If there will south and south, they will not stick together. If there will south and north, then it will stick together. This is north south means pole. North pole, south pole. South pole, north pole. It will stick together.
Yeah.
That this proves that the opposite poles attract each other. Am I right?
If you oppose it, if there was south and south, they're not stick together.
Yes, south and south it will not stick together.
Yeah, look, it's not sticking.
And north it will also not stick together. Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, it means same pole will not stick together.
The same pole will not stick together.
But different pole will stick together.
Yeah, if it's different pole, it stick.
Different pole is a stick. Very good. And you are going to make what project?
I'm doing the project why the magnets not stick together.
Yes, you are right. Who made this?
What?
Look, I want to put here like this.
Daddy, I want glue.
Yes, you put there, I will glue it. Yes, leave it. Put here the coin. Yes. Let it dry.